Hello all, welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. In today's video, we are going to see some lovely collections of Kora silk cotton sarees, semi kupadam sarees. Very pretty collection. This is going to be more of a function wear sarees. These sarees will be slightly rich with silver sarees, with lots of checks, zari checks, that kind of different designs. It will be slightly a class apart and very rich looking also, which you can wear for the some functions and all. And regarding the maintenance of these sarees, it's simple. Shampoo wash should be enough for these sarees. You don't need to do any dry cleaning, but don't put it in the machine and all. Do a simple hand wash for these sarees. They'll be really pretty. Before seeing the sarees, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. To purchase the saree, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Come on, let's start seeing the sarees now. This is a very pretty Kora silk cotton material. It's a soft quality material, but it has a mild stiffness, so it gives you more of a cotton saree look. But it's a mix. It's a Kora silk cotton. Very beautiful border. On the bottom part, we have a very different contrast border in that the zaris are on booty type pattern. Very beautiful weaving. And throughout the body, we have a checks pattern, jari checks running along the body of the saree. On the other side, small border. And the pallu of the saree is this, a rich pallu. And the blouse is again a contrast blouse. This is the blouse of the saree. 1 minute. Yeah. This is the blouse of the saree. And the price of the saree is 1130. We have some lovely color combination in the same pattern. I'll show you the other colors. The next is going to be a beautiful navy blue with pink. Very pretty, lovely combination. I'll open and show you. This is going to be the body of the saree. A beautiful navy blue with pink combination. Looks really class. And the pallu of the saree is going to be a rich pallu. The pallu is going to be again a rich pallu for this saree also. And the blouse is in contrast pink color. And the price of the saree is 1130. The next combination in the same pattern is a red with a green combination. All same pattern. This is the body of the saree. Red with green combination, and the body is a beautiful jari checks pattern. Lovely color combination. It's more of a pinkish red than a pure red. And the price of the saree is 1130. The next is a lovely pink, baby pink with peacock green combination. This is the body of the saree. A beautiful color combo, lovely design, looks really class. And the price of the saree is 1130. This is again the same Kora silk cotton material. A beautiful color combination, black with a red design. A jari checks pattern, looks really class, and the border is a big border, babanji border. On the other side, it's a small border. And the body of the saree is this, a beautiful body. And the pallu is a rich pallu for this saree. This is the pallu of the saree, a rich pallu. And the price of the blouse is okay. I'll check the blouse too. Yeah, the blouse is in contrast red color. This is the blouse of the saree. And the price of this saree is 1130. This is a Kora silk cotton material. Very nice soft material. It's a borderless pattern again. And throughout the body, we have a beautiful motif running along the body of the saree. A mango motif along with a beautiful jute thread lines throughout the body. And this is the pallu of the saree, a rich pallu in mango page. And the blouse of the saree is a plain blouse. And the price of the saree is 1160. The next color in the same pattern is more of a orange and pink color dual shade pattern. Very beautiful color combination. And throughout the body we have the lovely jute and the manga page design. Very pretty design. Lovely pattern, and you have a vertical stripes on it. Looks really nice. And the pallu of the saree is this. The jute pallu in mango page. And the blouse for this saree is a plain blouse, and the price of this saree is 1160. This is a lovely Kora silk cotton saree again, a contrast color combination. The body is a lovely peachish pink shade, and in the contrast it's a blue color. And the border is a very weaved border. It's a very different border, self-weaved border. And throughout the body we have a manga page design in the meenakari work running along the body of the saree. And this is the pallu of the saree, a rich pallu. And the blouse is a running blouse. Very pretty blouse, and the price of the saree is 1260. We have some beautiful combination, the same pattern. I'll show you the other color. Very pretty color combinations. Pista green with blue color combination. Very beautiful one. Very pastel shade, looks really nice. A green with a blue combination, very pretty one. That's the body of the saree, and this is the pallu of the saree, a rich pallu, and the blouse is a running plain blouse, and the price of the saree is 1260. The next combo in the same pattern is a mustard with violet shade. Again, these sarees will look really different when you wear. Have a rich design. This is the body of the saree, a mustard with a blue combination, and very pretty manga pate on the body. And this is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse is a running blouse, and the price of the saree is 1260. This is a dark blue with a pink color combination, Kuppadam silk cotton saree. A very beautiful pattern, a contrast combination. A very beautiful color combo, dark blue with a pink combination, and the body you have a beautiful zari pattern in meenakari design. Looks really pretty and class. And this is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse of the saree is a running blouse. Very pretty design, and the price of this saree is 1250. This is again a beautiful peacock blue with a pink color combination, semi Kuppadam saree. A very lovely contrast border, and a very different border. It's a single page design on the borders, and throughout the body we have a floral motif running in zari pattern in the body. And this is the pallu of the saree, a pretty pallu, and the blouse for this saree is in contrast pink color. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of this saree is 1100. This is again a beautiful Kora silk cotton material, a lovely design. It's completely a thread weaving, a jute thread weaved design. On both the sides of the saree we have a beautiful chakra pate design on the border. That's the border, more of a simple borderless style, and throughout the body we have a beautiful tilagam running along the body of the saree. This is a beautiful dark green, a leaf green, and this is the pallu of the saree, a rich pallu in jute pattern, and the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 990. We have one more beautiful color in this pattern. I'll show you the other color. This is a dark green. The next in the same pattern is a beautiful lovely peacock blue, peacock greenish blue, that kind of a shade. Beautiful pattern. This is the body of the saree, a pretty body, looks really nice and rich, very elegant saree this will be. And this is the pallu of the saree, a jute pallu, and the blouse is a running plain blouse. The blouse is a plain blouse, and the price of the saree is 990. A beautiful orange with a blue color combination, semi Kuppadam saree. Very beautiful design, orange, and the border is a very multicolor one, green, blue, all zari pattern all in the border. Very pretty design, and throughout the body we have a beautiful floral motif running along the body of the saree. And the pallu of the saree is a rich pallu, and the blouse is again a beautiful brocade blouse, a rich blouse. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1100. We have one more color combination, the same pattern. This is a beautiful orange. The next combo in the same pattern is going to be a lovely pink, beautiful pink with the same contrast combination. This is the body of the saree, a pretty color, a beautiful pink with a blue and a green combination in the border, contrast border. And this is the pallu of the saree, a rich pallu, and the blouse is again a beautiful rich brocade blouse, and the price of the saree is 1260. A very beautiful orange color Kora silk cotton saree, both the sides a jute design border. It's a thread weave design, but the color is a jute weave, so it looks really pretty. And throughout the body we have a beautiful chakra motif running along the body, which makes the saree really look class. Very subtle, simple looking saree, but very rich saree. This is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse of the saree is a plain blouse, and the price of the saree is 1080. This is again a beautiful purple color Kora silk cotton saree in a silver pattern design. This is more of a dark brinjal shade, looks really class, and the border is in contrast lighter pink shade, and the border is in beautiful silver zari. Very pretty motive, and throughout the body we have a small motive running along the body. Pretty design. And the pallu of the sari is this rich pallu, and the blouse of the sari is this beautiful blouse, and the price of this sari is 1000 rupees. This is a beautiful ikat pattern design Kora silk cotton sari. Both the sides are small piping border, and on the sides we have a beautiful pattern of border. It's more of a ikat pattern design on both the sides of the sari. It looks really rich when you pleat it this way. Very beautiful one. And this is more of a peachish pink shade. And the pallu of the sari is this, the simple pallu. Very pretty pallu, looks really nice, a jute pattern design. And the blouse of the sari is this, a pretty blouse. And the price of the sari is 1060. This is a very pretty Kora silk cotton sari again. Both the sides we have a lovely piping contrast border, and throughout the bottom part of the sari we have a beautiful embroidery, monotone and a peacock motif. Very pretty embroidery, and throughout the body we have small motifs running on the bodies. This is a border pattern which is coming throughout the sari, and the pallu of the sari is a simple line pallu, and the blouse of the sari is a plain blouse with piping. Very pretty color, beautiful pink with blue, and the price of the sari is 950. We have some lovely combinations in this pattern. I'll show you the other color. This is the leaf pattern in the embroidery. This is the green with the green monotone design, and the embroidery is more in silver color. Looks really nice. This is the body of the sari. Look really pretty. The embroidery is a very pretty design. Looks really class. Very pretty design. And the pallu of the sari is a simple line pallu, and throughout the body we have embroidery, and the price of the sari is 950. The next combo in the same pattern is a beautiful parrot green with pink combination in the same leaf pattern design. This leaf pattern comes throughout the body. The border pattern is completely embroidery. This is how the border is, and throughout the body we have a small embroidery running along the body. Very pretty one. And the pallu of the sari is this, and the price of the sari is 950. The next is a beautiful rust with a green combo embroidery pattern design in the Kora silk cotton. Very beautiful design and a beautiful pattern. On the bottom part you get this embroidery completely, and in the bodies we have small motifs. And this is going to be the body of the sari. A beautiful design, lovely pattern, looks really nice. And this is the pallu of the sari, simple line pallu, and the blouse is a running blouse, and the price of this sari is 950. One more combo in the same pattern is a black with grey and silver color border. The embroidery is completely in silver and grey. Looks really pretty class. So this is going to be the body of the sari. Looks really pretty, very pretty one when you wear it. And in the body, this is going to be the body of the sari, a pretty design. And the pallu of the sari is a simple line pallu, and the blouse is a running plain blouse, and the price of this sari is 950. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you'd have liked the beautiful lovely collections. To purchase these saris, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.